So, how to lock and unlock keyboard. If I write something, I write it easily. Locking and unlocking your keyboard is simple and can be done in just a few steps. If you want to lock your keyboard, start by pressing and holding the right shift key, which is located below the enter key on your keyboard. Avoid using the left shift key. Hold the right shift key for at least 8 seconds or longer. After that, a pop-up will appear on your screen asking for confirmation. Click Yes to activate the filter keys feature, which locks your physical keyboard, making it unusable for typing. When you're ready to unlock the keyboard, repeat the exact same process. Press and hold the right shift key again for 8 seconds or more. Once the keyboard is unlocked, you will hear a sound notification to indicate it is now functional. After unlocking, you can resume typing without any issues. And also, you can subscribe to my channel, friend. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy typing your favorite words again. Bye, friend.